In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF in Confluence. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your page where you want to attach your PDF. So for me, it's going to be this tutorial page I created over here, and you want to position yourself where you want to put it, and then you have two options, okay? You could either drag and drop it in here. So for example, if I go ahead and drag and drop this document in like that, it's going to put it like a PDF over here, which people can click on, and it's going to allow them to basically download it and then view it as well, okay? So that's the first way to do it. But the second one is you could position yourself anywhere here, click on the plus button to insert, or just type a slash, and then here you want to click on image, video, or file. Then you want to click on upload, and you want to find your PDF file. So I'm going to click on here and find a random one. For example, this one, I'm going to click on open, and then that's going to open that PDF document in here as well. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.